My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Doebnank. This ransomware called Doebnank acts in a very aggressive manner. Before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open your files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, whenever this ransomware encrypts files, it actually appends this extension called decrypted Doebnank at authred.com. It's a long name for the extension, and maybe this is why it is called Doebnank, because of this word in the extension. The same applies to all other files, and it's not possible to open such files. So the ransomware encrypts files, and it is not possible to use the data anymore. The ransomware also drops this ransom note indicating that your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is surely not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start researching the system. Click on the Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So the software will begin researching and investigating your system. By the way, its premium license has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually based on this summary and knowing these locations, but we do recommend that you consider actually upgrading to the premium license of the program. As we said, premium license does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your files from being damaged by this and other ransomware in the future.